स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो इस वीडियो में हम आज क्लास 10th चैप्टर नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया हिस्ट्री के जो मेन मैप वर्क क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, जो 5 नंबर के आपके क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, उसके साथ साथ ये क्वेश्चंस कई बार एमसीक्यू में भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। तो इस प्रकार से ये इम्पॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, हो सकते नहीं इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। तो वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो सबसे पहला यहाँ पे आता है जो एनसीईआरटी के सेकंड पेज पे है, प्लेस वेयर गांधी जी ऑर्गेनाइज हिज फर्स्ट सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट अगेंस्ट ऑपरेसिव प्लांटेशन सिस्टम। मीन्स it is asking that name the place where Gandhi ji organized his first satyagraha movement against oppressive plantation system. Then you will go with Champaran in Bihar. Champaran in Bihar, Gandhi ji goes in 1917. Gandhi ji goes to Champaran in Bihar to organize satyagraha against oppressive plantation system. This question can be asked as MCQ as well as a map-based question for filling. The question for map-based can be like that: place where Gandhi ji organized his first satyagraha movement against oppressive plantation system. Then you will go with Champaran in Bihar. Now second question, place where M.K. Mahatma Gandhi, again place where Mahatma Gandhi organized satyagraha to support peasants suffering from crop failure. Almost same question. Satyagraha here organized by Gandhi, here is also satyagraha organized by Mahatma Gandhi, but here the motive is different. To support peasants suffering from crop failure. Then you will go with खेड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन गुजरात। गुजरात के खेड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में महात्मा गांधी ने सत्याग्रह आंदोलन ऑर्गेनाइज किया था पीजेंट्स उनके साथ, जो पीजेंट्स क्रॉप फेल्योर से सफ़र कर रहे थे। अच्छा, थर्ड क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे बन सकता है, प्लेस वेयर एम.के. गांधी ऑर्गेनाइज सत्याग्रह एमंगस्ट कॉटन मिल वर्कर्स। तो चलिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि ये जो मैंने क्वेश्चंस बनाए हैं, ये क्वेश्चंस 2 in 1 है आपका। 2 in 1 कैसे? 2 in 1 ऐसे कि चाहे मैप बेस्ड तो इससे ज़्यादा आएगा ही नहीं। ये देखिए, मैं आपको भी पूरा दिखाऊंगा। मैप बेस्ड तो इससे ज़्यादा आएगा ही नहीं, और एमसीक्यू भी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट यहाँ से आ सकता है। तो आपके लिए 2 in 1 है, तो वीडियो को ज़रूर पूरा देखिएगा। So place where Mahatma Gandhi organized satyagraha amongst cotton mill workers. So Ahmedabad in Gujarat. You will remember that. Now, fourth question: place where famous Jallianwala Bagh incident took place. This is the most important question. Almost every time in exam board asked this. That place where famous Jallianwala Bagh incident took place. Then you will go with Punjab. I hope clear that. Fifth question, name the place where non-cooperation movement was adopted. This can be in the map as well as important question for MCQ as well for your exam. So name the place where non-cooperation movement was adopted. Then you will go with Nagpur in Maharashtra in December 1920. If it asks date as well, then remember, in the Nagpur session in Maharashtra in 1920, non-cooperation movement was completely adopted. If you now move to next question, 6, place where council elections were not boycotted. Means it is asking that name the place where council elections were not boycotted. So this is Madras in Tamil Nadu. For map based as well as MCQ as well. I told you again and again. Please watch complete video to solve your all the map based question in just short way. Name the place where Vallabhbhai Patel started no tax campaign. This is the most important question and hidden question. Please take a screenshot of this. Yes, please take a screenshot of this. I hope you will take that. Name the place where Vallabhbhai Patel started no tax campaign. Then its answer is Bardoli in Gujarat in 1928. Vallabhbhai Patel started No tax campaign. Most important question, remember it. Now if you go with question number 10, name the place where salt march was ended and civil disobedience movement is started. Then you all know that this is Dandi. Dandi in Gujarat. Name the place which becomes a region for calling up non-cooperation movement. It also can be asked, then name the incident in MCQ. Name the incident which becomes a region for calling up non-cooperation movement. Name the main region for calling up non-cooperation movement. If in asked in MCQ, then you will go with Chauri Chora incident, which is in Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. Now place where Purna Swaraj was formalized, then Lahore in Pakistan. This is important question, most important. This is no tax campaign and this one, most important. Just take a screenshot please. I hope you all will clear. I hope you all will take the screenshot of this. Place where Purna Swaraj was formalized, then you will go with Lahore in Pakistan. This is asked in MCQ as well as map based question as well. Purna Swaraj in 1930 it was formalized. Now name the place where Congress session formalized the support of Khilafat movement. Name the place where Congress session formalized to support the Khilafat movement. Then you will Kolkata in West Bengal. Okay, Kolkata in West Bengal. I hope it is clear for history chapter 2. If you go with map work in geography, then Chennai, first one, software technology park, locate the software technology park. Then you will go with Chennai. Marmagao, name the sea part which is located in Goa. For MCQ, then you will go with Marmagao. लास्ट में गोवा भी देखो पड़ रहा है. मरमगांव आप समझ सकते हैं, मरमगांव तो सी पोर्ट है, गोवा में पड़ता है. कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, ये भी हो सकता है. स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए तुरंत, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए, स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए, इसका ले लिए होंगे. तो मरमगांव गोवा में है. सूरत कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री सूरत में है. कांडला गुजरात सी पोर्ट, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. स्क्रीनशॉट आप ले लिए होंगे, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ये भी आ सकता है आपके लिए. नेम द ओल्डेस्ट पोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया, देन यू विल कंडला इन गुजरात सी पोर्ट. नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस एयरपोर्ट लोकेटेड वेयर, देन यू विल गो विथ इन कोलकाता. ओके. कालापक्कम nuclear plant. Name of some dams. Terry Dam located in Uttarakhand. This is also biggest dam. Hirakund Dam located in Andhra Pradesh. Pakar Dam located in Punjab. If we talk about Singrauli, then thermal power plant. Tuticorin, Chennai, Tamil Nadu seaport. Tuticorin is a seaport. कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री इंदौर एमपी में भी है. राजीव गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट हैदराबाद इंपॉर्टेंट है आप सबके लिए. नोएडा सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क, इसमें मैंने आपको ब्रैकेट में लिखा है मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन बाय सीबीएसई इन मैप वर्क. ये तो मुझे लगता है 110% फिक्स है. बता रहा मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन बाय सीबीएसई इन मैप वर्क, Noida Software Technology Park. I hope you all will clear the map work questions as well as MCQ. In this can be asked in MCQ as well as map work. So I hope you all will understand what I want to tell you. In our next video, I will try to bring MCQ series of nationalism in Europe, which is most important for you all. So please watch the video. If you understand, then please like, share and please subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you very much.